Okay, in this video, we'll be using the light sensor. There's one on the left and one on the right. Okay, this is the repository we're using. On the top right, click on fork to copy it to your account. Once it's copied to your account, you can go to Visual Studio Code, View, Command Palette, Git clone from GitHub. You will see an entry for light sensor. Select a folder to store it. Once it's done cloning, you can add to workspace. Click on src and main to see the code. So I'm going to instantiate two light sensors and then read from the sensor and then print it out on serial port. You have to click the bottom here to switch the environment to the light sensor and then click on upload. Okay, if you see this error, then you have to enter the upload port from this INI file. Then click upload again. Okay, when it's done programming, you can open a serial monitor. Enter the port index. Then you'll see the values being printed out. These are the values of the light sensor. 1 and 2. So on either side of the device. Okay, so there's two light sensors. So one is on this side and the other side. So if I cover both, so if there's light, no light. So there's no light, then the values will be smaller. If there's light, values will be higher. If I cover just one side, sensor 1 is having a lower value than sensor 2. Similar for the other side, if I cover sensor 2 will be 0, sensor 1 will be higher. So that's how to use the light sensor.